An exam that decides the future of lakh of students, a test built on merit, and now a scandal that is raising serious question about how deep the paper leak really can go. The NEET paper leak investigation is getting bigger, and now the trial has reached Pune. The CBI has arrested Manisha Sanjay Havaldar, a teacher from Pune, in the connection with the NEET UG paper leak case. With her arrest, the total number of accused in this nationwide investigation has now reached around 11 members. According to the investigation, Manisha Havaldar was not an outsider. She was allegedly part of the system. She was working at Seth Hiralal Saraf Prashal in Pune and had been appointed by National Testing Agency as an expert for paper processing. This role reportedly gave her the access for the physics question paper set. According to CBI, Havaldar allegedly leaked the important physics question with along Manisha, who had already been arrested earlier. And this is where the case becomes serious. Official reported verified that the leaked questions and found that several of them had appeared in the final NEET examination paper, which means investigators believe this leak may have directly reached the examination itself. So far, 7 arrests have been made from Maharashtra. These include PV Kulkarni, Manisha Wagmare, and many other accused who has been linked with the NEET UG paper leak case. Now, Manisha Havaldar is one more accused. From other states also we have seen many people have been arrested in this entire nationwide NEET UG paper leak case. With this, Havaldar has become the 11th accused in this expanding investigation. Soon after the arrest, SATE school issued an suspension notice. The institution called the incident unfortunate and suspended her from her service where she was being as a teacher over there. Now here is one of the unusual coincidence that has caught the attention of the users. All the 3 women that has been arrested by CBI so far in the NEET paper link are connected with the name of Manisha Wagmare, Manisha Havaldar, and one more name joined with Manisha. A coincidence, yes, but one that has become widely discussed. Meanwhile, the CBI has expanded the investigation across the country. Raids were conducted at multiple locations. Officials seized documents, laptops, mobile phones, and bank statements along with that. Because of the investigators are now tracing both the money trial and the digital evidence to understand how the leak happened and who was involved. The CBI believes this may not have been an isolated act. Investigators suspect a wider network of the brokers, middlemen, and the insiders who allegedly supplied exams questions to the students, though selecting coaching channels reported for lakh of rupees. And now the probe has also moved to Latur. Several doctors are under scrutiny after questioning what were the questions that, like the CBI also questioned other doctors suspecting to have the links with the accused PV Kulkarni. However, no arrests have been made in this part of the investigation so far. So what began as a paper leak is now turning into a larger investigation into trust, accountability, and the integrity of India's education system. A nation level exam, a lack of students, years of preparation has just got vanished in one NEET UG 2026 paper leak. As we have seen, many people linked with this case has been arrested till now. Till now, 11 members have been arrested. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.